Hi, welcome to MobilBid Learn, silent auction tutorials, complete auction setup and management training sessions. In this video, I'm going to show you what to do when your auction is finished. After the auction, there are various actions that could be performed to help it close without a hitch. When the bidding is closed, the status switches to Post View. Post View allows patrons to view the results of the auction. Results are no longer available when the event is closed. The auction can be kept in Post View for as long as you wish. To view all the generated invoices, click on Invoices on the left side menu. All generated invoices are displayed here. If credit card information was required before bidding for this auction, each invoice would show paid. Unpaid invoices are shown as generated. To manually record a payment, click on Details. Click on the Make a Payment button. From the drop-down menu, select whether the payment is cash, check or credit card. Enter the amount of the payment and add any detailed notes. MobilBid will by default enter the full amount in the Amount field. Amounts can be customized, allowing you to split the total between cash, check, or credit card. Click Make Payment when done to record the payment. The receipt will be sent to the patron. The Invoices screen will now show the invoice as paid. To download all the invoices, click on the down arrow in the top right corner. Select the invoice format of your choice. When the invoices are ready, click Download Invoices. Once the invoices are saved, you can view or print them. The invoices will indicate whether payments have been made. Back in the Reports window, all the reports will be finalized. You can click on Items by Patron, and it will tell you if all items have been paid for. You can also click on the Download button and export the report to your computer. The Payments report is also helpful. It tells you how each patron paid and when they paid. Reports detail bidding history, profitability and popularity of items and categories to help plan future events. Back on the dashboard, another useful feature is the ability to download a list of all the patrons from the event. Open the Admin menu at the top right. Choose Contact Manager. Activate the Download button on the top right. To close an auction, head to the auction screen for your organization. Click the settings of the completed auction you want to close. Warning: when an auction is closed, patrons can no longer access it, and payments are no longer possible. It is highly recommended that auctions are left in post-view status for an extended period of time after bidding ends, example, until next year's auction is being prepared. Click on the options for the auction you want to close. Click on Admin Dashboard from the drop-down options. Click on the Edit button in the status window. Next, click the Close Auction button. Click OK to confirm you want to close the auction. Click on Update Auction. Your auction is now closed. Your auction no longer shows up in the list of available auctions. Congratulations! We have now walked through all the steps to take after your auction. Thanks for watching. This concludes our series. Please check back for more videos coming soon.